Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to yet another weekly vlog. My name is V. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always appreciating my content. So today I want to show you my bedroom tour. So come along with me. This is the door to my bedroom. Karibuni, welcome. When you enter, the first thing that you see is this door to the toilet and the bathroom. So we will get to there later. So let me put on the lights. I have my chandelier, very smart. It changes colors as you can see. So this is the light that we are going to use. So after my chandelier, I have my bed. This bed was made by my fundi. I sent them the picture of it and they made it exactly how I wanted. So after the bed, before we go to the wall art, I have these pillows. As you can see, they are many, but we don't use them often. So I use my pillow and then the rest I put them aside. So this is a beauty aesthetic. Yeah. Then from the bed and the pillow, we have these wall hats. I got them from Panda Mart, and then I printed these pictures from Pinterest. And then from there, we have these side drawers. As you can see, they are very smart. So on top of them, I have these decor books. I also have these. This is flower face and these
scent.
Yeah, this is scent of the essential oil. Ni hiyo tu, si ndio?
Yeah.
So I have this to make the room smell nice. So the cabinets, they are two. I think you show them the other cabinet. So on top of this cabinet, I have put my calendar. So as a girl, you know, lazima tujue masiku. So yes, I did make a calendar. And before we go, I want to show you my bedding. This blanket, I got it from my Gikomba. I thrifted this one. Then these bed sheets, I got them from Kamukunchi. These ones. And then these covers, I got them from Isili. So we go to the curtains. As you can see, they are white in color and I love them the way they are. So these curtains, I got them from Isili. They are very expensive.
They are very expensive.
They are very expensive. Then this is the sheer. The sheer and these, they are called tiber.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is my window.
Mkamba.
And then the view. Sijui nitaonyesha the view ama.
The view.
So
hii ni balcony.
Yeah, that's my balcony. And then we have these wardrobes. As you can see, it's a wall-to-wall wardrobe. So this is where we put our clothes, our bags, whatever. So I'm not going to open these ones. So let's go to the washroom. So this is the door to the washroom. I want to open it, then put the lights on. So in the washroom, we have this mirror over here and the sink. We have plenty of water. Then after the sink, this is where we put the soap. hii inaitwa chrome bar ama inaitwa nini hii ya kuanika
Towels.
Yeah. So that chrome bar I customized this one. So
You made it yourself. You called a fundi.
Yeah, I called a fundi akanitengenezea.
Okay.
Then we have the shower. Hii sijai change. I'm planning to change that one. Then we have the toilet over here. So we have the toilet. We have these are things that we are using in the toilet. Yeah.
In the toilet and the bathroom.
Yeah, toilet and the bathroom. So that's it for my bedroom. But then if you've noticed, it's a master and suite. So thank you guys for watching this. Kindly, if you've not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel. You like, share, and comment down below. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
I'm walking around in the circle of life, doing the things I know, walking the same ways 100 times with the same soul. But do you ever try to path on the right side, put it up in your mind? But do you ever try to path on the left side, put it up in your mind? Doing things they know, talking about the same old stories they've heard about the people they think they know. But do you ever try to path on the right side, put it up in your mind? But did you ever try to path on the left side, put it up in your mind? It's gonna be hard. You run. I'm walking around in the circle of life, doing the things I know, walking the same ways 100 times with the same soul. But do you ever try to path on the right side, put it up in your mind? But do you ever try to path on the left side, put it up in your mind?